Welcome to MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota, where today we have a 2026 Barletta Cabrio 22U for sale. This U stands for Ultra Lounger. There is a wraparound, highly versatile, adjustable lounge system from the co-captain side all the way to the back. Many of these backrests flip around so you can have a ton of different configurations however you and your crew wants to cruise on the water. This is awesome, versatile seating arrangement. The Cabrio for 2026 has some upgraded stitching and vinyl. This is the Marquesan vinyl. It's gray with the charcoal accent. We have all of the features that Barletta owners know and love, like the doggy dock view door, pet dishes, built-in wastebasket, armrests, a stowaway table, a power arm bimini, and so much more. This has the beautiful JBL audio system for a crisp, clean sound on the water with mid-back speakers, so you don't have to crank the volume way up on the lake. It's right by your ear in the midship. This boat is available now at MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota. Come check it out today or call in to schedule your demo ride. We'd love to take your family out on the water to experience the Barletta Pontoon and find your next dream boat for summer.